the thread, go where the arrow is behind, go down, loop around, that's 2, and this is 3. Make sure you put it in the little loop hole right there, and this is 4, goes right there. So you want to turn it on so you can have the light, and you want to put it in the hole of the needle. It might take a while. Once it's in there, pull it through out, put it underneath the footing, and just pull. And there you go. And then with the bob, all you have to do is just get one of these bobbers, and make sure when you have the bob, sometimes they'll have it, but I did my own bobbing. Just have this one, the little end up top, just put it in there, and you want to put it right here, and you want to push it in to where it hooks. Then hold on to your thread that you just thread on top, and use this right here, this knob, to push the needle down. And then once it comes back up, pull your top thread, oops, make sure you get it all the way up, and top up, and then get you something to pull that bottom thread out. And there you go. And there you have it. And then when you sew, just cut to make it even.